Ever wondered what causes that mighty sound after a flash of lightning? Dive into the mystery of thunder. When a lightning bolt travels from the cloud to the ground, it opens up a little hole in the air, called a channel. Now, the air in this channel is heated to as much as 20,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. This hot air expands and moves aside for the lightning bolt. Then, the air collapses back in and creates a sound wave that we hear as thunder. So, it's the heat of the lightning that causes the thunderous sound. Fascinating, isn't it? Remember, every thunderclap has its own lightning bolt. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of Mother Nature.